we have a problem. It's really easy problem. It's a problem, say that we wanna basically contains the duplicates. How many if we have duplicates in specific array. So basically, given an integer array nums, or return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, and the return false if every element is distinct. So basically, for this one, we have one value, we return true, it's 1, and we have here 1, so basically it's true. For this one we have no duplicates, so it's false, and for this one we have a lot of duplicates. Basically, just look at it, it's true. So let's just go to the sketch. Okay, so let's just say again, we have an array. Let's just try to say we have an array 1, 2, 3, and we want to make a duplicate. I will say 1, 1, and 3, and and 3, and I'll close the array. So basically we have this one, and I would say that the way that we can just know that we have 1 and we have 1 here, or we have 3 and we have 3 in the other in the last element, I guess we have 3 solutions. The one solution, the first one, is that we could we could like loop through each element. For firstly we loop through 1, and after that compare it to all the other elements. For example, like that, make another loop to compare it with 2 and 3 and 1 and 3, and I guess the time complexity of, and also we'll do the same with 2, with 3, with 1, and other 3. I guess the time complexity of this one, it will be O of n squared, because we're looping and we loop again. And yeah, that's the first solution. I guess it's a pretty nice solution. There is a better solution that we could do, is that we will sort the array. So basically this array will be like 1, 1, 2, and 3, and 3. And instead of looping, and like for the first example, and instead of looping and compare 1 to all of the other elements, I only compare 1 to the next one, to the next element. So basically you are bigger, it's the next element, it's bigger than the current index that we are looping on, or it's smaller, or it's equal to it. So basically I will only compare 1 to the next one, and this one also to the next. And I guess this one, it will take maybe O of n log n, and this is the second solution. I guess the last solution, which I guess is the best solution, and it's also the easiest the easiest solution to understand. You know something called the set in JavaScript. So the set doesn't allow duplicate values. So if we convert this array to set, what will be the result? The result, it will be 1, 2, and 3, and we compare basically the length of this one, the length of the array, the set, with the length of the actual array. If they are equals, return true, otherwise return false. It's that simple basically, and it's only two lines of code. But you should, before, if you are in an interview, before to go through this solution, before going through this solution, you should say that there is other 2 solutions. This is quite important. And also ask the interviewer which solution does he prefer, basically. So let's just delete everything. However, let's jump into the code. It's basically pretty simple. It will be 2 lines of code only. Object const new set equals new set of nums, and I will say the return new set dot length doesn't equals nums dot length. Let's submit. What? Sorry, I guess this one. What's going on? What's going on here? Wait a minute, I don't know what's the problem. Oh, so why? Oh, no. New set. That size. Yeah, it was the problem. So basically, it's basically two lines. It's pretty straightforward, easy problem. And yeah, see you in the next problem. Goodbye.